developers, and we're here showing off one of his tech demos, I guess.
Yeah.
So what's this called? Dead Gears?
It's called Dead Gear, yes.
Okay, so what inspired you to make this demo?
I like to play video games like Cave Story, you know, the indie games, that kind of flavor. And I was influenced by that game exactly. I mean, Cave Story, I love that game so much. And I wanted to bring an experience to the players that, you know, the kind of experience you won't find in AAA games. You know, it's not about shooting, it's not about, you know, finding survivors or that. You want to bring a experience like a 6 hours experience, 6 hours gameplay experience, where you have, I mean, where you save people, you interact with them, and you have different endings depending on the kind of decisions you make. So this is the thing I wanted to bring to the audience.
Okay, it looks very nice. I mean, I noticed that this was, what engine was this made?
I used Unity. Unity was, it's a 3D engine, but we managed to get a hold of one of the 2D plugins, where you have the ability to, you know, just use any 2D, you know, art and play it in that 3D engine. But basically, it's Unity.
Yeah. So this Unity engine is now sort of like, I mean, it also allows you not to just make games for Windows.
Yes.
You can port it to other platforms.
Exactly. Yes. Exactly.
So, do you plan on continuing this project, or is this just to test out the engine?
No. It's hopefully it's a game that is going to be shipped. For the time being, our platform is Windows, but you're gonna run it hopefully on Android. You're gonna run it on Linux. I mean, it depends on the machine. The Unity engine is so flexible that it allows you to run it on multiple platforms. So you don't have to think about the minor or major differences between platforms. Just to create game once, and after that you export to multiple platforms. As simple as that.
So do you hope
hopefully, yes, we're trying to hold, you know, a lot of meetings on a monthly basis. The ultimate goal is to raise the awareness in the MENA region. I'm sure you understand. We don't have that much of awareness when it comes to game development. A lot of people just think that games are very basic, or, you know, just for kids. But in reality, you know, games is
there is a benefit to just playing games. Other than just killing people.
Yeah.
Actually, recent studies show that
you actually develop some kind of, you know, fast, what do you call it, reaction, all of these good stuff.
I mean, even when I play games like
yes.
That's very
Yeah. And this is an important bit I wanted to bring, actually. You know, the games is only, it's not about fun. You bring a message, you bring content to the player. Yeah, so you have the ability to provide the player with the sort of message you want to interact, you want to transfer to the player. So it's a great medium of transferring information.
Okay, that's pretty cool. I mean, I wish you luck, and with Steam Greenlight.
Greenlight is great.
That's also a nice advantage.
Yes, definitely. You know, where you have the ability to make your game go public, without the ability to spend on publishing or to go through publishers, you know, all that hassle. It's a very nice opportunity for indie game developers, especially for the guys here in the Middle East. You know, they lack the ability to contact publishers and all of that. Thank you so much.
Hamad Hassan.
Hamad Hassan was developed this really nice looking tech demo using the
Unreal Engine 3, yes.
Unreal Engine 3. It looks very nice and spectacular. How did you come up with this concept?
Basically, I am a zombie game fan since I was in 6th grade, and from there this passion of zombie games developed within me. So this demo is basically, I'm trying to showcase a skill set, my skill set, so trying to reach out to potential investors and such. But the concept itself, I saw a test scene where there is some guy on YouTube, he imported Link from Zelda to Unreal Engine 3. So it's a stylized cartoony, but in this nice lighting settings, realistic. Yeah. So it looked so good. I was like, yeah, that's really a good concept.
Pixar, you know?
Yeah.
I like that.
So it started from there. I was like, okay, why not make a zombie game in that setting, stylized with realistic shading and lighting, etc. So that was my idea, and then I had some concept artists with me, started drawing characters, environments.
These artists, are they outside Bahrain?
Yes, yes.
So you talk to them online? And
Yeah, yeah. Concept artist is Polish, and he helped me doing concept art to visualize what the game will be looking like. And when that was approved, then I started working on my demo for 6 months, on and off. And that's the result you see right now.
I heard that the hardest part of your demo was the water, right?
Yeah, yeah. From a shader programming point of view, that was the hardest thing. Programming was kind of straightforward because I have like 4 years of experience within Unreal Engine. So I wanted to have a beach. So I needed to create a good-looking ocean. So and that was kind of a gray area. So I started doing research and such, and after an effort of 3 months, yeah, it was a lot of trial and error until I reached to this.
Well, it paid off because it looks absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, thank you, thank
I
you.
really like the look of your design.
Thanks.
Now, tell me about yourself a bit more. I heard that you used to develop games for a company called Action Mobile Game.
Yes, yes, yes. So now, starting out as a game developer, the game development scene in Bahrain is very humble.
Yeah.
So, and you want to extend your skills, right? And what is the best way to do that than joining an existing team, and you push your skills to the limits and you test your abilities. So I joined Action Mobile Games for free. I was like, hey, I'm a programmer.
You didn't get paid, you're just doing it for the fun.
Yeah, yeah. I got paid eventually, because I proved myself within 1 month. Within 1 year. So they really liked my work, and when I felt confident, I was like, okay, guys, thanks. I'm going to look for other ventures, other experiences. And they were like, oh, we need you. We'll pay you to stay. So I stayed there for a while, and then I left.
So tell me about Bahrain Game Developers. Where do you see that going?
It's starting out. Ameen and Hamad, probably you know him, and he's starting out this community, Bahrain Game Developers, and from there we're trying to generate interest, and that's one of the goals of the demo. We're trying to seek out people who are interested in this, and hopefully funding, and if that comes, then we can grow our community even more and get people Bahrainis trained in this industry. Probably it depends on the interest and how popular we get. Yeah. We need more exposure. We need more investment to get to that level. But we are doing this baby steps in the beginning, and we'll reach there hopefully.
Yeah, someone has to start it, right?
Yeah, there's a first time for everything. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, I appreciate that.
Hopefully it works out. Really, it inspires me to see people who are not only invested in games but game development.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I hope you guys will do well.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
I wish you luck on this demo and your future development.